G'day everyone and welcome to Homey Fitness. Today we're cranking things up a notch and focusing on those biceps. You know, the guns. We're diving deep into the ultimate bicep hacks that'll not only get your arms looking incredible, but also contribute to a healthier you. Get ready to learn about warm-ups, compound movements, proper form, killer variations, and the importance of rest. Stay tuned for some game-changing tips that'll take your bicep game to a whole new level. Alright legends, before we even think about picking up those dumbbells, we gotta get those arms ready to rock and roll. We're talking about a proper warm-up, people. This is non-negotiable. Think of it like prepping your muscles for battle. Light cardio, some arm circles, and dynamic stretches will increase blood flow, loosen up those joints, and prevent those pesky injuries. Remember, we're here to build you up, not break you down. Now that we're warmed up and ready to go, let's talk about compound movements. These bad boys are your secret weapon for serious bicep growth. We're talking about exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once, like pull-ups. Yeah, you heard me right, pull-ups. They're not just for your back, mates. They engage those biceps like you wouldn't believe, giving you that overall strength and size you're after. Now let's talk about form. Remember, this isn't about ego lifting, it's about doing it right. Proper form is absolutely crucial. Focus on controlling the weight, squeezing at the top of the movement, and maintaining a steady pace. Don't be afraid to start with lighter weights until you've nailed that perfect form. Trust me, your biceps will thank you in the long run. Now, I know you legends are ready for more, so let's spice things up with some variations. We're talking hammer curls, preacher curls, incline curls. The list goes on. Each variation targets your biceps from slightly different angles, ensuring that every single fiber gets worked. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Variety is the spice of life, and it's the key to building those impressive guns. All right, champions, we've pushed those biceps hard, but the work doesn't stop there. Rest and recovery are just as crucial as the workout itself. Your muscles need time to repair and rebuild, and that's when the real magic happens. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating a protein-rich diet, and staying hydrated. Remember, we're in this for the long haul, so listen to your body and give it the rest it deserves. That's a wrap, legends. You've now got the tools and knowledge to build those biceps you've always wanted. Remember, consistency is key, so keep pushing, stay dedicated, and you'll see incredible results. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed these bicep hacks and subscribe to Homey Fitness for more awesome fitness tips. Until next time, stay strong.